Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your phone supports NFC and host card emulation. That's essential. Once done, open Settings and toggle NFC on, then make sure Google Pay is installed and updated. Sign into the same Google account you use for payments and add a secure screen lock if prompted. Make Google Pay your default Tap and Pay app in Settings, Default Apps Tap, and pay so the system knows to use it when you bring your phone to a terminal. Next, open Google Pay and tap payment methods to add a card. You can scan or type details. After you enter info, follow the bank's verification, usually a one-time code or app confirmation, because that secures NFC transactions. Once verified, set this card as your default contactless payment and adjust merchant or contactless limits if offered. Make sure you see the card active in Google Pay. This ensures your phone will present the right token. To pay, wake your phone, hold the back near the terminal until you feel a vibration or see a check mark. You don't need to open the app usually. If prompted, unlock or authenticate with fingerprint, PIN, or face to complete higher value transactions. If a tap fails, make sure NFC is on, restart the phone or reselect tap and pay in default apps. This resolves most token or routing issues. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card, or contact your bank for token status.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.